put that underneath in case it falls. It's raining, so I gotta hurry up. So you definitely need a hammer and go the right direction. Okay, so just take that off. That's 13 millimeter. Once you take that off, you don't need to take the top one off. Just take the bottom off and then hold this up. Take like the wrench. I was trying to take the whole bracket off like you need it. Anyway, so just this part comes up, right? That's all you need. Okay. I was trying to take off the whole bracket, which I didn't need to. So I just took the part of the thingy out. It's raining, so I gotta hurry up. So then I just pull this out. Just take a thing, pull that out, boom, right? Pull the other side out. Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's raining. Take these. Okay, it's important that when you put the brake pads back on, that the metal part are on the outside, right? Because there's two pads, the one that you could see, which is the outside, and then the inside. So anyway, to make sure that the metal parts are on the outside of both of the pads. If you don't do that, you're gonna hear a lot of squeaky noise. Bang that in. Okay. Same with this side. Yeah, it's supporting. Then you're gonna take this clamp to open up the right?
Why don't you give him a close up?
Bring it up. Bring it up. Take it off the stand, man. So I put the new pads on. It was easy. You just take them out, put them back in. You notice I didn't take the top screw off, so this just swung open.
you keep the top screw on. All you need to do is take the bottom screw off, which is a 13 millimeter. Like that, just take off the bottom screw and this pulls up. Don't try to take this whole thing like I did. Just pull this up, pull it up. Now we need to open it up with this expansion clamp. So we need to push open up the shoe to squeeze this. Shit. Fucking rain. Tell you, perfect timing. Okay. No, it's not wide enough.
10.
Expect this fucking rain. Okay. Okay, so now
Gavin has arrived.
that open. What's up, boy?
What's up, bro? I'm recording, bro.
Bro, watch your language, bro.
All right, we're gonna cut it at my 2 fingers right here.
Wait, hold on. So now, I slide this down. Maybe give a little bang. Oh, look.
Mhm.
This came out on the other side.
Oh.
That's the inside was giving me a hard time. I gotta make sure I put it on. It's on, okay.
Stay on though.
So we just slide this over. Oh, so I'm banging more. I'm banging in that way. I'm letting it slide it down.
Okay.
Now, fuck, bro. The inside keeps coming off. I might need to expand it a little bit more.
You did the other side?
Yeah, the other side's done.
Is it easier than this shit?
Mm-hmm. This side's giving me a hard time. I don't know why. I might need to expand it a little bit more.
Yeah, I think you do. Cause look, this is scratching up.
Yeah. You know what I need to put?
Don't you need to put this?
Put this old shoe here. This way I have more push. This way opens it up more than before. Okay, let's see.
Hopefully I did it.
Oh yeah, that pushed the ball all the way inside. See here? This thing went flush inside. Before it was sticking out a little bit, so now we should be
The
good.
little circular thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Silver circular thing was...
Oh, perfect. Look at that. Look how easy that went in now. Okay, that was the key. So make sure you get this circular thing right here all the way in. I had it like 1/8 of an inch out, so that was hitting the back pad. So once I did that, so how I got that was I took this piece, I flushed this piece against my opener, right? And it helped me push it in more because the bolt opener was extended all the way, so it didn't have the strength. So I just put this to pivot it. Anyway, so now, see, now it goes in much easier. Now I take this screw. Gotta line the screw up though. Hold on, I gotta hit this.
Fucking... I accidentally hit the volume button and just stopped it for a second.
That's right.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, when you put your tires back in, make sure you do the star formation. Right? Get it tight a little bit. Move to the next one. Move to the next one. Next one. Next one. Now before you do the final tight, you want to make sure you put down the lift. Right? Put the lift down. Then you tighten the tire when it's flush on the ground. Star formation.
We're done.
Perfectly.
Thanks, though.
You killed it. Good.